Hi, this is Mike with Cougar Chemical, here to talk to you a little bit about the new line of residential pressure washers that we brought in from Karcher. This is a Karcher K5700. We over at Cougar, we are the largest seller of the Landa commercial series of pressure washers in the southeast. And usually when we go into like an industrial commercial type setting, the first thing we look for is, what kind of power that facility's got, because we're always wanting to maximize the use of electric pressure washers. But for some reason in the home pressure washer industry, they've always kind of gravitated towards the gasoline engine. Now, you got to be mobile. Yeah, gas is the only way to go, but the electrical systems on these are far more dependable for a lot of reasons. For one and foremost, I don't like pull starters. Pull starters are a lot of work. I don't like running out of gas in the middle of a job. I don't like in the wintertime having that gasoline gumming up my carburetor. I don't like having to change oil, change air filters, and I don't like the noise of the gasoline powered pressure washer. This one being electric, there's no maintenance. You plug it in, you turn it on, and you go. And you're going to say, I know what you're saying. Hey, the electric's, doesn't have the power of the gasoline. Well, this particular unit puts out 2,000 PSI, which isn't too terribly far off from what you're going to get from a comparable, big box store type gasoline engine. And the benefits of this are far more easy. It's so fast to set this up. For one, it takes up far much less of a footprint. It's a very compact unit, stores away in the corner of your garage very, very easily. It sets up wickedly fast. It has quick connects over here that simply just plug and play into the system. You just lock in your pressure washer, and your garden hose comes with a quick connect, and it just plugs straight into it. And you've got your on and off switch right here. Turn your water on, and you're going. I want to start by showing you a few of the things across the back over here. We've got a tray over here that holds, convenient storage for all of your tools. We also carry onboard soap injector, so you can fill this with your favorite car wash soap or whatever it is you want to use to wash with whatever detergents or shampoos you want to use. On the front, you actually get a detergent meter, and this isn't something you usually see until you get into a very large industrial machine, but you can actually dial in how much detergent you want this to be spraying at low pressure. I already showed you the quick release garden hose right over here. That sets you up at about 70% faster than you would by screwing in the garden hose collet on there. It's very easy operation, no pull starter. There's nothing to it. It's an on and off situation, and it's also an auto start stop. You pull the trigger, the machine comes on, you let go of the trigger, the machine turns off. Here's something else. It's wickedly quiet. You can get up in the morning before anybody else. You're not going to wake anybody up with that big gasoline engine. It's very, very quiet and convenient. The other side of it is there's no metal in this machine. So if I were to tip this over and say knock it into a car, or with the wand over here, if I bump it into my car or whatever the case, I'm going to be far less likely to do some damage than I would with metal rod, metal pole. Something else, no tips. I'm not going to be, I don't know if you've ever shot one of those metal tips off into your car. Boy, that'll cause some damage, won't it? But this one right here, you actually dial it in from your actual wand. So I can go adjust my pressure and my spray pattern and move it all the way down to the mix. So I don't have to come back and change it. If I just rotate this over to mix, it's going to automatically start pulling chemical into my stream. It really is time to rethink about what you do put in your house for your residential pressure washer. Here's something else I'm very excited about. New compact foamer that we can put on this thing. We at Cougar, we love foamers to wash our cars with. Just a simple little bucket right here. You can just fill this up with your favorite car wash detergent, and we just put it back on with a quick release. And again, just like your Spray, comes right off. Foamer locks right back on, and then your Dart Blaster or your Spray can go straight back in there.
So now it's time to rethink your home use pressure washer. You need something that's versatile, economical, easy to use. It's plenty powerful enough to do your brick and your concrete work, plenty gentle enough to do your car, with no maintenance, no worries. Maybe you need to come in and take a look at the Cougar Chemical and check out our new Karcher line.